outside Seattle when you need to get some sunshine. Leave us a message. Call 206-221-3663. That's 206-221-3663. Or email us with your answer at record@kuow.org. And while you're answering that question,
skunk cabbage.
look out the window. It's going to rain again any second now. Sorry.
Beautiful. Very beautiful.
I don't know what you could find on these slopes here if you just started walking through them.
Fortunately, you don't have to listen to my music recommendations because right now the soundtrack.
Beautiful. Back road. Uncas Road. Beautiful. Research last night before I went to bed. Beautiful. Another road, another back road. Never been on it before. Yay!
This is such a wonderful time of spring for having a drive where you go slow and look at everything.
Yeah. Fish and wildlife there. Wow. Cemetery Road. So I'm gonna have to eat.
Huh?
I'm gonna have to eat.
I am too.
And it's right up here. Come back here. Uncas Road. Tap room. It doesn't get any more beautiful than this, babe.
That's right.
Yeah, it doesn't get more beautiful than this.
I don't want you to get me anything from a gas station.
We're going
place.
in to eat. This is a sit-down place.
Are you kidding?
No, I gotta eat. And this is where we want to go, right here.